Hello everybody, my name is Edward Yen. This is my Edward Yen show. Guess what? I'm the hero. Hope you like it.
It was nice for Edward to invite us on this trip.
Yes, that was nice of Edward to invite us along, right?
I just want a nap.
That Edward guy isn't good enough for our daughter.
She should have stayed with Jim.
I'm good.
What are you doing here? You're coming home with us. You're in big trouble.
No, wait. Edward is a nice guy. You guys don't know anything about him.
It's nap time! Everybody NAP!
Oh my God! What was that?
We've encountered an unexpected snowstorm. We've lost one of the engines. Do not panic. Please remain seated.
Everyone, listen to me. There are emergency parachutes under your seats. Grab them now. There are only enough parachutes for 80 people.
We lost another engine. It's time to panic.
It's time for us to go. See y'all later, filmmaker.
Our pilot bailed on us. We're all gonna die.
Not on my watch.
What are you gonna do? You're just a filmmaker.
Exactly. I'm a filmmaker.
We took a trip with Claire's mom and pop, but her picky old parents thought I was a flop. They like to tell me you're not a doctor or lawyer or rich undertaker. You're nothing but a filthy filmmaker. Ha! Ha! You'd be surprised of all that I know, 'cause I learned about life from the old picture show. Filmmaker! Filmmaker! We have a confession. Your choice of careers is a crappy profession. Ha! Ha! You'd be surprised of all that I know, 'cause I learned about life from the old picture show. You'd be surprised of all that I know, 'cause I learned about life from the old picture show. Yes, I make movies, but only with heart. I'll show you what's what, you wealthy old farts. Ha! Ha! You'd be surprised of all that I know, 'cause I learned about life at the old picture show.
Where's Jim when you need him?
Still good. Okay, just like the movies, let's do this.
What's happening?
Edward has control of the plane. Go, Edward! Go!
I know I can do this. I've seen Airplane 200 times!
Relax, Edward. You got this. I'm here with you. Just concentrate.
Wait, I see a place to land. Everybody hold on!
Parents won't let you now. You destroyed the plane.
Survived! Thank you, God. Thank you. Yes, this is a miracle. Thank you.
Go see if your mom and dad are okay.
My parents are still gonna like Jimmy better.
Wait, I'll make it better.
This is all Edward's fault. But he didn't know there would be a snowstorm here.
Hurry, Edward! My dad needs help. He's turning into an ice cube.
I have a hammer and an ice pick in my backpack. I'll get him out right away.
Thank you, Edward.
We need to keep my parents warm, Edward.
I have a solution in my backpack for that, too. Everybody back up!
I learned about life at the old picture show.
Jim would have had a sauna.
With plushy towels.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to inform you that the abominable snowman is in the vicinity and he has the munchies.
These are the best damn marshmallows east of Detroit City.
What's that?
That looks like the Yeti I saw on the news. Get out of here! Beat it!
You talking to me? Huh? Are you talking to me? Huh?
No! It's too dangerous!
I was born for danger!
Or did you talk to my wife? Did you talk to my wife? Are you talking to my wife?
No, please. We can't fight it.
Come here! Come on!
You want me to step in the ring with you? I'm just not gonna do it. But if you keep that up, I might. Don't keep it up. Don't make me mad.
You wouldn't like me when I'm mad!
Clang! Clang! Clang!
I won't fall! I won't fall!
Look, you asked for it. You can get it. My famous roundhouse punch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Jimmy would have tried to reason with him.
Right.
The wind is getting stronger.
Do you think the tent will hold? It has to.
I have hot cocoa and hot buttered popcorn.
No clam chowder?
I just so happen to have a bowl on me. It's yours!
Now do you see that Edward is not just a filmmaker? He's a kind, thoughtful, and resourceful man. That's why I love him so much.
But what about Jimmy?
I'm sorry, Edward. Jimmy? Are you forgetting what he tried to do?
tomorrow! Let's get out of here!
Claire! You're not getting away from me again.
Old Christmas tree!
I got you now. You gotta be kidding me. Stop! Claire, I loved you, and you broke my heart by choosing this Edward guy. But now you're gonna pay.
You will never be as good as Edward.
He was cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Hey, I just got us a ride to the Great Wall of Bala.
All aboard!
You sure about this?
I didn't come all this way to stop now.
Jimmy would have.
Shut your mouth already. Let's get in the damn car.
All aboard!
How did you do this, Edward? Hurry up! I talked the Yeti into taking us.
Edward taught me a lesson in humility.
Just make sure you get us there safe.
You didn't like me before. Have you changed your minds?
We misjudged you, Edward.
You're really the right guy for our daughter.
Personally, I think Edward's great. And I would have eaten all y'all.
If anybody wants to use the bathroom, says so now.
I'm good.
Wait a minute. I gotta go.
How long have you been driving?
I took my driving test yesterday. I didn't pass, but the instructor said I have great potential.
Edward's here!
Nailed it! Everybody out!
We've been waiting for you. It's so good to see you all.
Come here, we're so glad you made it.
We were getting worried. Welcome, welcome.
This is all good for you, but how am I going to get back home?
Hey, we need a ride home. We'll pay for gas.
All aboard! Ah!
Now we can all relax and enjoy our vacation. Nothing can go wrong now.
We ain't got a barrel of money. Maybe we're ragged and funny, but we'll travel along, singing a song side by side. Don't know what's coming tomorrow. Maybe it's trouble and sorrow, but we'll travel the road, sharing our load side by side.
Well, do you like it? I know I did. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button.